Have you ever found yourself frustrated while coding in Visual Studio Code, wishing you could easily manage your code sections? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to keep your code sections collapsed or expanded without having to mouse over them. I totally get it. It can be really annoying to have to hover over a tiny area just to see those collapse and expand controls. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many developers share this frustration. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to show the collapse and expand controls always in Visual Studio Code without having to mouse over the area? This is a common concern, and we're here to find out if this feature is supported. So, what's the deal? Visual Studio Code is designed to be efficient, but sometimes its features can feel a bit hidden. Understanding how these controls work can help you streamline your coding experience. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can enhance your coding workflow even further. To always show the collapsed sections of code in Visual Studio Code, the user needs to adjust the settings. First, they should open the Settings menu. Next, the user should search for the setting called Editor Folding Strategy. This setting controls how code folding behaves. The user should change the folding strategy to auto or indentation. This will allow sections to be collapsed or expanded based on the code structure. Finally, the user can enable the setting called Editor Show Folding Controls. This will ensure that the folding controls are always visible. Fun fact, did you know that Visual Studio Code was released in 2015 and has quickly become one of the most popular code editors? It's amazing how far it has come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to modify the settings in Visual Studio Code. They suggest adding a specific line to your settings.json file. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check for updates in Visual Studio Code. New features and improvements are added frequently, and you might just find a solution to your issue in the next update. And there you have it. While there may not be a way to keep those controls always visible right now, you can adjust your settings and stay updated for future enhancements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.